Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to black out or white out text in a PDF file and type over it using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open a PDF file and I'll black out or white out this text and type over it. Select this tools option and scroll down and you will find this redact option. Click here. Now click on this arrow and click on this properties option and I'll select this color option, black color, and select use overlay text. Now you can select this text color and select this text color, this green color, and type your custom text. New text and select OK and drag your text and see this text now inserted and again click on this arrow and select properties option, select overlay and I'll select white color and text color I'll select black and I'll select here replace text and select OK and drag your mouse cursor and select and see this replace text now showing here and finally select apply, select OK and rename your file and see this replace text now inserted and is black out and new text showing here. This is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.